Hello everyone, my name is RUPINI GUNALAN and my metric number is 25DDT19F2020. So today I'm going to present practical task 2 for subject network security. Okay, so this is the question that given to us. Okay, for this practical task, the topic base is prepare a device and services used to enhance network security. So this is the topology that they given, and the objective for this question is verify local connectivity and text access control list. Next is remove access control list and repeat test. Okay, so let's go to the questions. In part 1, they ask for ping devices on the local network to verify connectivity. Okay, so first of all, they ask for from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC2. Okay, so we go to PC2. Okay, then go to desktop, IP configuration. Okay, copy the IP address of PC2. Then we go to PC1. Okay, desktop, command prompt. Okay, now we're gonna here. This. Okay, so we're getting the replies. Okay, so finally, successfully, we're getting all the replies. Okay, so next is from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC3. Okay, now we go to PC3, desktop. Okay, we copy the IP address of PC3 and go to PC1. Okay. Okay, we're waiting for the reply. Request timeout. Okay. Okay, then we try to ping another time to get 100% successful. Okay, here we can see that it's pinging. Okay. Next question is explain the result of ping devices. What it happened? Okay, obviously we can tell that the topology that they given to us already configured from the layer 1 until layer 3. So we have nothing to do in that because the router, the switch are already configured with the IP addresses. And PC also got their default gateway, so obviously they can ping each other. Okay. Okay, next is part 2, ping devices on remote networks to test ACL functionality. Okay, first one is from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC4. Okay, we go to the PC4 and copy the IP address. Okay, then we go to the PC1. Try to ping PC4 here. Okay, we're getting the reply, but the destination overseas unreachable. Okay. Next question is from the command prompt of PC1, ping the DNS server. Okay. We go to the DNS server IP configuration. We call it the DNS server IP address. Go to the PC one. Okay, so we're going to ping here DNS server, enter. Okay, same as previous. The reply is destination host is unreachable. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, explain the result of ping devices. Why it happened? Why it happened is because from here we can see they are pinging, but their destination host is unreachable for the both devices, which is PC4 and DNS server, because there are one configured with an ACL nipping from exceeding the serial 0/0, so that they cannot be able to ping successfully. So because of that, they have destination host unreachable because of R1. Okay. Next, part 3, use show commands to investigate the ACL configuration. Okay, the first one is use the show run and the show access list command to view the currently configured ACLs. Okay, so we have to go to the R1. Okay, CLI enable. Okay, now we gonna enter the command show run. Okay, so here we can see the no IP4 license and spanning tree mode. Here they have set the IP addresses for gigabit Ethernet 0/0, 0/1, and then the interface 0/0/0/, they assign the IP address and IP access group 11 is out. And the interface serial 0/0/1 is clock rate. Okay, is it? Okay, next command is they ask to show access list. Okay. Show access list. Okay. Okay, the next command is show access list. Okay. So we can see the ACL number, ACL name, and output. So we can okay. So the standard IP error list 11, 10 deny the IP errors, and 20 permit any. Okay. The next question is explain the configure ACL in the routers. Okay. So from here we know that an ACL is a permit or deny rules about which can enter or exit the interface of a router. Okay, that's it. Okay, the next question, part 4, is remove access list 11 from the configuration. Okay, the first one is under the serial 0/0/0 interface, remove access list 11. Okay. And in global configuration mode, remove the ACL. So now we go to the R1. Okay, we type to configure terminal mode, config mode, and then interface here 0/0/0, enter, and then you have to type no IP access group out. Okay, there is no access list. Okay, so back to the question. Verify that PC1 can now ping the DNS servers and PC4. Okay. Okay, now we're going to PC4. Okay, we're gonna copy the IP address and then we try to ping again in PC1. Okay, ping. Okay, before waiting for the reply. First time out. Okay. Okay, we try to ping again. Okay, now we can see that we're getting the reply from the PC4 to PC1. Okay, next is we're gonna copy the DNS server IP address and gonna ping in PC1. Okay. So we wait for the reply. Because timeout, we're getting a few replies and we try to ping again. Okay, so here also we can see that now we can get the reply of PC4 and DNS server. Okay, so the last question is explain the result of ping devices, why it happened. Okay, as we know, in ACL can block unauthorized users, so it won't allow any interface to come to their interface. For example, like in R3, the PC4 and DNS servers are not allowed to R1 to get ping with PC1 because of the ACL that configure in R1. So if we remove the ACL in R1, which we did earlier, and now we can see that they are communicating each other from PC4 and DNS server to PC1. Okay, lastly, I'm done with the practical task 2. Thank you.